Good morning, welcome. This is I, James, introducing this little bit of grammar where we have two verbs together and we have to decide, I'm afraid, between the ing, the gerund form, or the infinitive form. This is your big decision time, and so we get to the verbs that take the ing form. And these are called the gerund and also the infinitive or the to form. Maria enjoys visiting new places. Maria enjoys. And so enjoy is ing. Bruno fancied going to the pub. Fancy, ing. They kept walking. Keep, verb ing. So enjoy, fancy, keep are some of the verbs that use the ing form for the second verb. Now we get to some other verbs that use the infinitive now. Decide, hope, want, use the infinitive form. So we decided to stay in. Stay in, probably stay in a house. I hope to see you next week. I hope to see. Well, he wanted to come with us. He wanted to come. So the second verb is the infinitive form with to. And so just to remind you, this is memory time. You just have to remember. It's not really about logic. It's just about memory. So if you have a great memory, you're going to find this quite simple. And a few more verbs just to help you. There are others, but these are a small selection. The others you'll find on my printed sheets available to download. Quit, smoking. Finish, talking. Postpone, visiting. Give up, hoping. Admit, etc. Arrange, we have all these other words that take the infinitive, and so they are. Arrange, decide. Decide, I group them together because I think they're kind of similar words, so maybe it helps you to remember. Arrange, decide, expect, hope, planned, kind of about the future. Appear, pretend, so this is about how things look or seem. Agree, offer, promise, refuse, it's kind of a contract between people. Need, want, would like, obviously connection with liking things, wanting things, etc. Then we get to a few phrases. Would you mind? It's no use, there's no point. Verb ing. I'm used to listening. I'm used to traveling. It's not worth going. It's spend time, waste time listening to this old rubbish. Advise somebody to do something or other. Ask somebody to help. Encourage somebody to work harder, etc. Let's have a little bit of practice. And so use verb ing or to with the following three sentences. Just to help you, I've given you a bit of a memory, so I don't know about you, but I fancy... Yes, of course. Fancy going. I fancy going out tonight. Then we have this. She considered. Now consider. Where is this? Where is this? Yes, verb ing. She considered moving to London, but after talking to her parents, she decided. Decide. And of course, it's the infinitive form. She decided to go back to Brazil. Last one. Would you mind? Would you mind? Would you mind? Of course, phrase verb ing. So would you mind helping me with this suitcase? I hope you find this helpful. Good night.